Experience the ultimate adventure in Antalya's breathtaking wilderness. Join us for an adrenaline packed camping trip by the riverside, where rafting, rappelling, canoeing, and many others await for you. Get ready for an unforgettable journey into nature's heart. Watch this video and let's explore together. And if you or your friends want to have this unique experience, then let's talk to the campsite manager who can explain us the details.
So we are here at a campsite. I would like to introduce you to Tom.
Hello.
Hello, Tom. So can you tell us why we are here? What you do?
Okay. First, where we are here in Antalya. Sarin is a little it's in the Beshkanak area.
Okay.
This is the Koprulu National Park, which you see in the background. 46,000 hectare big. It's a national park. Yes.
What's the river name?
Koprulu Chai.
Oh, Koprulu Chai.
Yeah, it's named after the bridges. There's a bridge, old Roman bridge in the front, and a nine-eyed Roman bridge near the sea. So that's the area we are.
Okay. So can you tell us about this facility here?
Okay, this is Jacaranda Lodge.
Okay.
Created in 2020, just before the Corona crisis. I bought this as an empty shell. It was a goat stable, actually. I built it up like this. My vision is to have children camps here, school camps, where children can be themselves, can be free, no digital things around them. So old-fashioned way of being together, playing together, doing outdoor activities, doing outdoor survival things, rafting we do, canyoning, we do caving, kayaking, trekking, actually everything what is there in camping site and things like that. That's what we do here.
Okay. What facility do you have here in the campsite?
What facility? We have sleeping places for 30 students, for 8 teachers. We have a big salon. Salon is around 120 square meters covered. We have a cinema inside, Wi-Fi. We have, of course, for the internet, so we can have films in an evening. A very nice campfire place, as you see here.
Yeah. And your dog?
We have a dog. That's Maddie, K9. She's there for guarding and things like that. And we have a papana, like a parrot, as well for entertainment. A cat for catching mouses and things like that. So yeah, here we have also tents set up, but the main thing is the cabins where the kids sleep in, bunk beds.
Oh,
and
okay.
with that one, we have them secured during the evening and during the whole day.
All right. And can I ask you about yourselves?
Oh yeah. What you want to know?
Tell us, how long have you been in this business? And
I'm originally from Holland. Venlo, little place near the German border. I speak 5 languages. I've been in this business since 1995, and I started in Belgium. From Belgium on, I went to New Zealand, worked 2 years in New Zealand, then in Costa Rica 1 year, then America 1 year, came back to Belgium, went to Israel, then came here, and here I found the perfect place to set up my own thing. I found also my wife. Oh, it's a Turkish one, so that's one of the reasons I stayed. Yeah, that's made me initiate actually. So in Turkey, so I stayed then, and in 2002 I came here.
okay.
So nearly 20 years, I'm here.
So I'm looking at, in 2018, I came with the families. We were around 10 families. We came here.
Yeah.
And you organized lots of activities for us.
Yes, it was at the other side. We didn't have this one yet, but it was very nice. We did all the teachers from the ICCS. I think we had a very nice time, all with the children together, with families. And that's exactly what I want to do here. But here, it's a little bit more luxury in that, with a sitting space. We have 20 there's a place for 20 people to sit inside. We have an oven inside. We have heating inside, everything.
So who should come here?
Families with kids, age 10 upwards. 10. That's the best thing. We had smaller as well, but with smaller you cannot do every activity. True. Okay. From 10 on, 8, 9, 10, yeah, then they are exactly they can do things. How old were your kids when they came with?
Oh, when one of my son was that time in grade 4, so that means he was around less than 10, maybe. He was 10.
So he did rafting with us.
Yes,
at that time.
It did.
And we did the hiking at that time.
Yeah.
We went a little bit in the canyon.
Yeah.
So yeah, around that time, that age is the best way to start them to feel what is nature and how great is nature for kids.
So this place is for the person who want to cut off from the city life, want to be in nature. There's nothing around except river, mountain, and the kind of forest.
Yeah, river. We have forest on that side, river on that side, national park on the back, all Byzantine tower on the ridge. This is pure to relax, to come to yourself, away from screen time and things like that.
Okay, what's the best time to come?
This September, April, September. That's
April, September.
April. No, from April to September. But when you ask me my favorite months,
Really?
it's April and it's September.
Oh, April and September.
Because August and July is a little bit hot. Thank God we have a very cold and clear river where I can swim and cool off.
Mm-hmm.
But my favorite months is April,
Okay,
September.
can a single person come here?
Yes.
You can organize activities for them, or you will join with
Mostly we have a group. You join a group. We have a group of 10. That's the thing because
10 people.
10 people. That is for me the max, or that's the maximum. That's a perfect way to transport them as well, to accommodate. If they want to have more, yes, no problem. We can sleep up to 30 people here.
So people who want to contact you, they need to have 10 people.
Yes,
Okay.
we can make it.
Nine.
Things
You
like
have
that.
10.
Okay, I'm not that strict,
Okay.
but for me it has to be also financial, on the good side. Of course, we're living and we have to manage. That's what.
Okay. So this place is run by you, by your wife.
By me, my wife, I have personnel as well. This changing, but I only take best people I can trust, and that's good. Now I have my father and my mother here as an extra. They are on a holiday, so they're helping out. But normally I'm doing this with 3-4 people, depending on the group size.
If someone wants to book, how do they contact you?
Contact me on www and then tombacamp.com. You can see it here on the log.
Yeah.
On that way, you can find us and also check around the lodge. That's also a thing on Instagram, and then you can find
And we can also put your website and
my telephone number up here, the website up there, something like that. That's how they do it always.
So your day start from the river,
Yes.
as we did today. Okay. So river is clean. Yes, it's very clean.
River is.
I didn't see any pollution here. There's nothing like that. One more question I would like to ask Tom.
Yeah.
Tom, how about sustainability? When it comes to tourism,
Yes.
as a teacher,
Yeah.
I always think about sustainability,
Yes.
how environment friendly you are, and how much waste you generate, and how much resources or electricity you use.
Okay. Now, first of all, I'm a sustainable manager. I did the course as a sustainable manager, so I know this subject, and it's on my heart as well. First of all, this is all off-grid. So we don't have any electricity except of solar panels. So we have solar panels on the roof. With that, we do everything. Sustainability, water. We have crystal clear water. This river water is 99% clean. This is 99% spring water. We use all this water. We pump it up there, 20 meters up, and from there it goes back to the thing. This goes directly for shower, for kitchen, for everything. So we don't use any water from the net. Okay? So we have no pollution. We don't need anything for that. Drinking water we get from the spring, and we take it like that. Food, we try to buy local. Okay? So locally, we got the people involved in that. So the people also here in the community make money with that. So they make winning from us as well. So we help them in that way. So we have local food, as much sprayed on it and things like that. All the waste material goes back into the nature as manure. So this goes to the trees. We have fruit trees standing here. We have apples, pears, persic, a lot of stuff we have here standing already. So it had to be self-sustainable as well. So we're planning a garden on that side for next year so we can have our own salads with our own cucumbers, tomatoes, etc.
So what is this is your camp, big camp?
Yes, this is the tipi tents, the Indian tipi tents, the native Indian tipi tents style. It sleeps 12, they say, but I always put like 8 or 10 in there because then you have some more space. We have here the volleyball field, the basketball, and there we have our cabins. As you see, we have a great outside area for dining. In the wintertime, we eat inside. We have some music in there for the kids because they love that. They be their own DJ. This is a jacaranda tree. Very nice. So these are the cabins. Boys, girls, separately. Another one for teachers or my own personnel. We have an outside barbecue. We have it, now the camper is there. We have an extra room for the teachers. The kitchen. Then our toilet area. We have changing room, 3 toilets, cleaning, outside shower, 3 times, inside shower, urinoir, everything we have.
I think that big.
This is chill out area. To sit here, they can all sit on this. We have a warm heater.
That's it. Come and I hope to see you all.